Trying to edit your YouTube videos but feeling overwhelmed by the learning curve? Are you spinning your wheels for hours trying to figure out how to take different pieces of video and merge them together so they appear seamless? Or how to match sound to video? I've been there. Let me walk you through the software that I found that has been such a tremendous help in video editing and is simple to use. Movavi software consists of a suite of tools that allow you to gather video and audio content and screenshots if needed, pull them into a video editor in an intuitive way to cut down on the time you need to create a professional video from start to finish. Let's start and dive right into the video editor. The video editor main screen has three different major sections. The first is the area that is the left upper half, and it includes your different menus down the left side and across. These offer easy places to pull in the things that you need to work with and to add project pieces and save those, etc. The second major section is the whole bottom half of the main video editor screen. It includes another menu here for quick access to features like recording videos, screencast captures, and audio, and shortcuts to all the tools that you might need as you're doing your video editing. I'm going to show you here in a minute how you add files to these different video and audio track lines. Very easy, just kind of a drag and drop. The third major section is where you can see videos that you're scrolling over in larger format rather than just in the thumbnail, so that's real helpful for picking out details. It's also the area where you can, when you get done, export your video file to be used wherever you need it to be. To pull video files into the video editor, you simply click Add Files, and it will take you to your hard drive, and you can locate the particular video that you want to pull in. In this case, I'm going to do this one, double click it, and it pulls it in to the editor. You can add multiple videos with audio to your tracks in your video editor workspace. You can slide them right up against each other for smooth transitioning. You can rearrange them if you need to very easily by dragging those to different spots. If you want to take out some audio or just delete it out of that and replace it with something else, you can easily do that. You can also disconnect it and crop video and audio separately. If I needed to shorten the length of a video, I can easily do that by drag and drop. If I just need to get rid of a piece of a video, I can simply go to my tool and clip that and get rid of it. There's just all sorts of options that make this manually time-consuming process so much easier with automation. Other neat things you can do are overlay text of various sorts on the video, incorporate transition segments between video pieces, and include all sorts of elements in your videos. In addition to all that the video editor has to offer, Movavi provides easy access to a video recorder to capture webcam, video camera, or television footage, a screen capture tool for capturing what's there right on your computer screen, and an audio recorder to get excellent sound either from your computer system itself or via an attached microphone. This all works seamlessly and is perhaps the greatest strength of Movavi, that you have this whole suite of tools that you can access in one place. Before you hop on over to movavi.com to download limited feature editions of some of the software tools that we've talked about, be sure to check out some of my other YouTube growth videos.